Hey guys, it's Bess and welcome back to Artist Talk. I feel like I need to talk about it. I know it's like not in the regiment of how I do things 'cause I usually post stuff on Sundays, but I'm like, I don't even know anymore. Like I really don't. I woke up this morning. Bad enough I had like a crazy day. Look at my hair. It's all crazy. I don't care anymore. But yes, like I woke up in the morning. I wasn't doing so great because everybody knows I'm on this keto diet. And I went out to eat and I ate too much, I guess. So I'm in pain in my stomach. I've not ate for a couple of hours. I am not hangry or anything like that, but I don't know. To each his own. Maybe I am, right? So, um, I looked through my Gmail like I usually do. I looked through everything before I even start Celestial Post. I wasn't gonna start Celestial Post today because I was too super crappy. Like I felt bad. Like I feel like I'm sick or something. But yeah, went on my Gmail. Then YouTube like shows me this thing. So I'm gonna read it to you guys because I want you guys to, you know, just know what's making me a little bit skeptical. So this is what it says. It's like under the new under the new eligibility required announced today, your YouTube channel Vesenia Designs is no longer eligible for monetization because it doesn't meet the new threshold of 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. As a result, your channel will lose access to all monetization tools and features associated with the YouTube Partner Program on February 2018 unless you surpass the threshold within the next 30 days. According to this email serves as 30-day notice that your YouTube Partner Program terms are terminated. One of the YouTube's core values is to provide anyone the opportunity to earn money from thriving channel. Creators who haven't yet reached this new threshold can continue to benefit from our Creative Academy, our Help Center, and all the resources on the creator site to grow the channel. Once your channel reaches a new threshold, it will be reviewed and make sure it adheres to our policies and guidelines. And if so, monetization will be re-enabled. So yeah, guys, this is what we're dealing with right now. And I don't know what to say. Like, I don't know what to say. I know before partnership, I didn't have like access to make videos a certain length, and I don't think live was an option. Like there was a lot of things that YouTube restricted me from doing. And I don't know. Like I don't know what's gonna be the whole thing with all this going on. Like I wanted to make this channel so that I could teach people how to draw, talk about art stuff, you know, talk about May stuff, and it seems like here we go again with YouTube doing something else. Like the last time YouTube was doing something, that was like way back, they were talking about, you know, you had to have a certain amount of view time within a month. I met that. So my DeviantArt did that for me. The DeviantArt did that for me. So that was great and all, you know, fine. You know, I continue on with the partnership. I continue on with everything else. Now that we're comfortable with the streaming every Fridays and all that other stuff, being that I don't meet those qualifications that they're asking for, it's like, now what, you know? There's a lot of other channels that are worried and they are planning to, like the people who are smaller are planning to have other people watch your stuff and support and share and stuff like that, which I feel like it's an awesome idea. But it's like now we're getting crapped on. It's bad enough where wasn't making any money. Like honestly speaking, I wasn't making any money off of YouTube. Like no, I haven't seen a dime. They have got all the money for that. So, you know, it's fine and all. Like, it's their channel, business as usual. It's nothing personal. But I'm like, what's gonna happen with the whole streaming and stuff like that? Like, maybe Twitch isn't an option, is an option for us. I know I can post videos up on there and stuff like that. So Twitch might be the upcoming of demolishing YouTube. I don't know, but I know that I can post up videos there and stuff like that. So if anything goes down February 30th, we shall see. And I will be, I'll start linking everything to Twitch because um this is just not working. Like it's not working, and it's not going to work for our community because our community is one that we embrace everybody, we support everybody, and we're always together and talking and stuff like that. And that's what I want to continue. I don't want to continue just doing stuff for likes and views. Like that's just not going to happen. I'm sorry. Like that's how I feel about it. I'm not here to bash YouTube because YouTube is a business at the end of the day. So they're gonna do things the way they're gonna do things. And yeah, that's why I'm like really unprofessional right now. I don't got my hair done. Look at me in this pink shirt. Like, yeah, I just I don't know, guys. Like I honestly don't know. And that's why I'm gonna post this up soon because I don't know. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. You could go ahead and say it in the comments or whatever. And if you're here to just like bash and do all that crazy stuff, take that somewhere else. I don't got time. I will block you. Like I'm not here for it. I just want to have a adult conversation, adult or teenage conversation. Conversation. I'm pointing out conversation with everybody, especially my posters, because honestly speaking, it's you guys. This is all about you guys. Like, don't get me wrong. I do my art. I tell you guys I got celestial posts out there. I tell you guys about my merch and stuff like that. But we did build a community on transparency. We built a community on talking and getting things out there. And I just needed to tell you guys what's going on. I just received this today, so I know there's gonna be a lot of videos on it, and I just wanted to tell you my side because I don't honestly know what's gonna happen. Again, Twitch might be another option for our community. Um, I know it'd be hard, like a hard transition or whatever. It just all depends on the limitations that YouTube gives me. Like if I can't make no videos and like if it's under 5 minutes and I can't stream and stuff like that, then I will have to take my videos elsewhere. And that's the thing that I'm fearing because I was comfortable with YouTube. I already know how the ropes goes and stuff like that. But if I have to take myself somewhere else, I would because honestly speaking, streaming is the main key to what I do here. Like I love to stream and talk to you guys. So I don't know what's going to happen. That's just a plain simple thing. That's why I'm looking raggedy. So, except Vessa's raggediness. And tell me what you guys think. That's why the comments stuff is down below. I don't know. But yeah, figure it out. Not figure it out. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are because I want to hear them. I want to know what's going on. And yeah, again, guys, wow. I think I'm getting sick. I think that's why I don't feel good because that was weird. That was weird right there. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. That's what I was down there for. Again, I have Patreon. That's there. So if worst comes to worst, my Patreon's gonna be there. My Patreon, I post everything up there. I have my merch store, so that's there, redbubble.com. I have my store that got celestial posts, everything on it. Like I know I'm doing shameless advertisement, but we gotta do it, right? Like I'm making money off of YouTube. Let me stop. Let me stop. But yeah, that and yeah. I can't say if you're gonna like this video because I don't know. A lot of people don't like nothing. So, you know what I'm saying? If you don't like what I said, you don't have to hit the like. Go ahead and hit the like. If you did like what I say, you did love the information that I gave, I guess. Because I know a lot of the posters are YouTube creators and they need to know this information. It's bad enough we don't have the community talking thing. We have to meet 10,000 subscribers to even get that. So it's just YouTube is doing too much. YouTube is doing too much, and I guess they want to keep their YouTube, the highest YouTube people, they want to keep them high and keep us low. So this makes a whole bunch of sense. Is nothing, is all business. I understand. Um, but I'm just letting you guys know about this stuff. So if you like to know about this stuff, hit the like. I'm going to put this underneath Artist Talk because I feel like artists should know about this, especially the posters that do create content and I watch them on the daily. So I think that's important. Again, guys, thank you for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. I'll see you in the next video. And I hope to see you on Friday because we stream Fridays every time at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. God willing, if YouTube doesn't cut me off. All right, guys, I'm out of here. See you later. Bye bye.